attend two conferences, the AAPA Conference and the Grow with Video Live Conference. Why? Well, I wanted to go to both conferences. I couldn't decide which one, and they kind of overlap each other, and my husband said, just do both, and that's what we're doing. So we're gonna fly into Indianapolis, attend the AAPA Conference, which is the annual conference for all PAs, and then we're gonna fly to Vegas to attend the Grow with Video Live Conference, which is a conference for all newbie YouTubers to learn to grow their channel, which is what I'm trying to do. And it sounds crazy, and it really is, but we're gonna give you a lot of behind the scene look of why we flew so far to attend these conferences and our biggest takeaway. So stay tuned for more. That's the only thing at a Starbucks. Eggs, Gouda, peanut butter with crackers. That's it.
Okay. Or the computer secures the cabin and free to go over.
We just got to the hotel. We're staying at the Holiday Inn. I know, super fancy. We are like just bougie ass people.
We're also very tired people.
Yeah, we haven't
We're
slept.
basically here to get some sleep.
Yeah, like 7 days of those sleep.
The conference is just an excuse.
Drop our kids off. Okay, let's show them the room. It's really nice. Flip it in the room.
Okay.
All right, so this is the room. Right here we have the room itself, couch, because we upgraded to the executive suite. Just, you know. And then there is camera.
This is where we pretend we know something about football. Yay, football!
Why would you order a burger?
Don't be a hater. Be an appreciator.
We're here registering for the conference, and literally there's nobody here doing early bird registration except for us because we are nerds. But see you guys there. So we got our badge, and I'm a PA superhero and a PA educator. I think I'm gonna get preceptor, and then what about you, baby? What are you gonna get?
First time attendee. That's me.
What else?
Hi.
How about future PA,
Future
baby?
PA? No.
Is that you?
I could be a distinguished fellow.
Distinguished fellow? Okay.
Yeah.
I think you should get the future PA, baby. Maybe, you know, PAs go beyond. PA takes Indy. There's lots of options. Oh, I'm sorry. We are heading to dinner with some awesome PAs that I've connected with for the last 2 years on social media, and I'm finally meeting in real life. Metalita owner and founder, you know her, Lara, and also Empowered PA Courtney, and I'm super excited. I think Harrison Reed is also going, and Jono is going too, so it's gonna be pretty cool. All of us.
We all going
Just got back to the hotel room, and what an amazing dinner. Oh my goodness. It's so cool to have a group of I call them the old geezer PA because we all been practicing for about 10 years. We're not the newbie PAs they see on social media, the cool, young, hip students. We're like the seasoned vintage PAs. So it's cool to connect with them. I've been friends with some of them for about a year or two on social media, but never really met them in real life. So it's really cool to just give them big hugs. And we had amazing conversations. And this is why I go to these conferences, to network and to meet people. And I'm actually really excited to see them tomorrow at the opening ceremony and to go to some of the other events that I'm going to. So, yay, good first day. Here we are at the opening ceremony of the conference, and wow, this is the first time we're able to get so many PAs all together in one single room for a conference since the pandemic, and you can definitely feel the energy and the passion. I mean, it's so cool to hear the AAPA president tell us about the latest updates within our profession and all of their plans to rebrand the PA name. I didn't know we were rebranding, but it's so cool to hear about it from so many passionate PA advocates. And we even got to listen to Simone Biles, that's right, world-renowned gymnast Simone Biles, share her struggles with mental health. And I think in this conference alone, it was such a game changer because it's the first time we're all able to talk about how the pandemic affected us as PAs and our own personal struggles with mental health this year. And we all know that I was on the struggle bus with mental health this past year.
Sam just saw her old professor and she's like, I'm gonna go talk to him. Oh, but he's talking to other people. Maybe I shouldn't. I'm like, go talk to him. So she went over there to try and talk to him. There they are. Hugging. Going to the reception. Everybody quickly.
Instagram, you probably recognize these two ladies right here. You have Katie, just a PA, who has incredible content of what life is really like as a surgical PA. And then there's Rebecca. You might not recognize her, but she is the face behind all things PA, which is your #1 resource to study for the PANS. And I love connecting with them because we are all PAs, entrepreneurs, and we're all moms. So it's great to meet people who are just like me. This was an event that was hosted by Rocky from the PA Moms, and what an event. The only event that I paid for because I genuinely believe in their mission. I freaking love these women, and we spent all night chatting. I think I got home about 11:30, woke up the next morning feeling crap because my feet hurt, my voice was sore, and that's how you know it was a good night.
You okay?
Oh yes. What'd you order?
Pork chop.
secrets, and specifically the tactics and the tools that I use to grow my YouTube channel to over 500,000 subscribers and over 28 million.
My heroes or mentors are so important is because it's an incredible amount of context summed up very succinctly.
We're here at FedEx. Why are we at FedEx?
Because I'm trying to get a car title before it's shipped back to DMV.
We have our car title.
So luckily, these very friendly FedEx employees were able to find our package for us, and crisis avoided. We can actually sell our car.
You know this next part. Right here. I want it that way.
We just finished the first day of Grow with Video Conference. It's pretty cool. I got to
Very
see...
motivational
Yeah.
and inspiring.
I saw Vanessa Lau. That's pretty much what I came for. But you know, Pat Flynn was actually really, really good. That was like probably my favorite
That
talk
was my
as well.
favorite, Pat
Yeah,
Flynn.
he was incredible. And also, what was the one? Patrick Bet-David.
Patrick Bet-David.
Yeah, he was very good
Really
too.
good.
So I'm excited for tomorrow.
Actually,
But
all speakers were really good.
Yeah, I agree.
Like overall, the quality level was
much
definitely
higher. Yeah, it's probably the best one of all the
very
conferences
good.
we've been to. And now we're heading to dinner, sushi, and then after that we have the networking party this evening. And then my voice is already dead.
And
so.
Sam's gonna jump onto Vanessa Lau when she sees her. When she saw her walking past, she's like, "Oh my god, I have to take a photo with you."
Why are you like this? I just say hi.
Fangirling a little bit, but it was pretty cool.
Oh my goodness. It's been so long. We've had real tacos.
What just happened?
I just got invited to lunch with Vanessa Lau. I tagged her in my story and then she sent me a DM and said, hey, join me for lunch. And I guess she's hosting lunch for a few people that supported her and I'm one of those people. So
That's
we're
amazing.
doing lunch tomorrow. So excited.
All you had to do is fly in from Thailand
Yeah.
and be jet lagged for 6 days.
Checking into our new room.
Not too shabby.
Wow, not bad, moms. Not bad at all. 2 bedrooms for us and the kids. Yeah, not bad at all. Baby, what's for dinner tonight?
Thai food. Archies. Archies.
Why are we going to Thai food? We live in Thailand.
I miss Thai food. It's like, it's not just that.
We are gonna skip the networking event. We're back in the hotel. I was actually planning to go to the networking event and we just came and checked in, dropped our bags off here, and then I get a DM from Vanessa Lau and inviting me to a luncheon that she's hosting tomorrow with like 6 other people. I was actually really, really surprised. But I think she invited me because I tagged her in a story. I said, I flew in from Thailand to meet Vanessa Lau, and I guess she saw it and invited me to hang out with her tomorrow. So I'm super excited to see her at the luncheon tomorrow. So there's really no point of me going to this networking event because I was going only to meet her. And since I'll see her at lunch, I don't want to go and, I don't know, I'm definitely an introvert. People, I have no energy to deal with people and just to talk and network. I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed. So we decided to skip this event and hang out with her tomorrow.
We do have another coffee over there, guys. If you guys want to hit that up, 1 or 2 people.
Thank you guys so much. That was very warm.
What's going on?
We are having lunch with Vanessa Lau. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. I'm also the first one
Way to
here.
go, be the first one here.
We left the conference early, just a little bit, to come here, so. Anytime now, Vanessa, I'm here. I'm here. I'm ready.
Hi, sorry for the video.
or whatever the case is for how you're monetizing, that can be a way to incentivize people to work for you without having to, have that monthly nut.
Are you ready to get content creator?
Ready to create some content.
All right, we are getting started in 30 seconds. You do not want to miss this next
And the energy and encouragement to keep going. Everybody in this room has watched a video on YouTube and it inspired you to make some kind of shift, right? You've all watched some video from somebody on YouTube that then inspired you to make some kind of shift. And that's what I see in this room.
That was the game. That is not the game. Everybody wants to make it the game because it's tangible. It's just not the game. The game is, are you comfortable in how you make? Just looking for the shortcut, like, look, they're like, it's fucking go in the gym and fucking eat properly, motherfucker.
Wow, what an incredible conference. Probably the best conference I've attended in a really long time. The speakers were inspirational, but not only that, they give me clear guidelines and expectations to what's to come as a newbie entrepreneur, all the ups, the downs, the hardships, and that's what I need to hear. I needed somebody who's been in my shoes, who's done the hard work, and to tell me, hey, this is normal what you're experiencing, and you're just gonna grow a lot faster, and it's worth it. That's what I paid for. I think that's what I paid. I spent so much money flying and the jet lag, the kids. This is what I paid for. It's the reassurance and a little bit of the motivation to keep going. And that's why I attend these conferences. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. If you have any questions, any comments, please comment below and let me know that you enjoyed this video so I can share it more with you. Bye guys.